Let your eyes do the talking with just 4 easy steps to illuminate its eyes. You'll need an eyeshadow palette with metallic. Use shimmering eyeliner and smudge. Free mascara. First, take a damp eyeshadow brush in a medium shade and apply evenly across the lid. Then press the lightest hue along the inner corners. Next, use a shimmering soft brown eyeliner along the top lashes and your lower lash line smudge at the ends. For the finishing touch, use black volumizing mascara, starting close to the root of the top lashes and brushing out towards the ears. A quick way to use shimmer to really open up your eyes. Me too. I review this Physicians Formula set. This is the cutest little travel set. In my opinion, first and foremost, look at the packaging. It's real lace. It's got a little bow right here. So cute. You open it up, and it opens this way. It comes with this little brush. This brush is not the best for applicating, so definitely use your own brush. But all of these formulas are super creamy. They get picked up very, very well. I've went ahead and swatch tested some of the colors for you if it will focus. These colors are super shimmery. The eye went in order. So the black is there at the bottom going all the way up to the shimmery at the top. So, super subtle, but in the sunlight glow, they are gorgeous. Here are the 2 eyeliner colors that you get. One is a brown liner. And then, the other one is that black liner, and here is the jewel side. It mascaras. I'll go ahead and open it up for you so you can see it comes with the black mascara, and the wand of this mascara is like a plastic wand. So it's got like super tiny little bristles. There we go, focused in, and same story for the other side, except it's more of like a taupe color, like a super light grey brown. So I thought that was cool that they included 2 in 1. And because of that, I give this a 10 out of 10.